I'm about to show you how incredibly easy this is to set up. It's 90 degrees. Everybody's hot. My kids don't want to come outside. They want to be on devices, but as soon as I set this guy up, in minutes, they'll be out here. So watch. You start by laying it out on the ground, and you find this long piece and your blower. It comes with a blower. Okay, so you're going to take the long yellow end, and it has a lace rope around it. And you're going to take your blower. This is your blower that it comes with. And you literally are just putting this on here. It is not rocket science. And you're going to tie it. Just like this. You put it through the loops. It's not a special tie or knot of any kind. It is literally tie the yellow thing onto the blower. Now you're literally just going to turn this on and watch magic happen. Oh, you can see my shadow. Oh. Blowing itself up, no big deal. I did nothing, I just pushed a button. Okay, so now that it's blown up, you keep the blower on. You're gonna keep the blower on, and then you connect the water. Then you just connect your regular old garden hose, no big deal, to this hose that comes with it, and you'll see why. It makes it way, way more fun. Now, you're gonna turn on your water. We're going to stake it down. It comes with these stakes, just so it doesn't blow away should there be a storm or a gust of wind or, I don't know, something. Yep, this is starting to fill up my very long hose. This is the water cannon, so you see it says a 3, so it tells you where to attach this. The hose goes up the side. Here's another place the hose attaches. And here's the third place a hose attaches. This one says number 2. And you see it has Velcro loops to hold the hose for you. It's coming out, it's starting. Our hose is coming from really far, so it takes it a little bit to get started. This is the climbing wall, and this is how you get up to the slide. It has handles and footholds. This says that the maximum height is 5 feet, which I am 3 inches over that, and it says the maximum total weight is 240 pounds. That's not a problem. This could go well, and if it goes badly, I'm going to delete this video. Are you ready? This could be very ill-advised. Are you ready?
Yes!